October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and 5 sisters who lost their mom to the disease have come up with an unusual way to honor their mother's memory. They're pumping iron.
These buff beauties share a common bond that goes beyond bodybuilding. They're all sisters. Meet Mary Jane, Shelley, Christy, Amanda, and Sarah. The stunning siblings range in age from 25 to 45, and they're very serious about pumping iron. So why do they do it? The girls say their love of working out arose from a family tragedy after their mother Susan died from cancer at age 67.
We saw how powerful we were together through that for my mom. And we were so powerful then. Look what we can do together here. We can really make a difference.
We traveled to San Antonio, Texas, where the ladies were busy getting ready for a bodybuilding competition. And just like the toned and tan muscle men, these ladies have a strict pre-show regimen. Stretching, lifting, oiling up, as well as preparing for any possible wardrobe malfunction.
We call this butt glue. This keeps the suit in place. No slipping while we're walking around on stage.
Then they're ready to hit the stage. Though the competition is intense, the ladies handle it gracefully. Even at the end of the night, when none of the sisters walked away with a prize, it's clear each is still a winner.
This is for you, Mama.
Coming up, she's a